In our current life, it becomes too much hard to have discipline. Why? Because we have a lot of distractions at around. I present myself. I am Karim. I am coach of discipline and communication for English speakers. I am also an engineer and teacher of languages. I helped many people to improve their skills and to be much more disciplined in their life. To be disciplined, we have in the beginning to study your personality, discover what are your weaknesses and strengths, work on them, and it will be too much easy to get discipline in your life when you have a coach that supports you and follow your planning and encourage you to these challenges. If you are interested, you can start with me a test class to discover how it's possible to start your journey of discipline.